Polite expressions in Italian. So here are some polite expressions in Italian. Let's start with grazie. Grazie means thank you. Now, if you want to say thanks a lot or thank you very much, you have to say grazie mille. That's grazie mille. And to say you're welcome, you can say prego. Or you can also say di niente or di nulla for not at all. Scusi, mi scusi are the formal ways to say excuse me or sorry. Scusi, mi scusi are the formal ways to say excuse me or sorry in Italian. You use these expressions with people you don't know or with strangers. For instance, you're at a restaurant and you want to call the attention of the waiter. You can either say scusi or mi scusi. Or when you're at the mall and you accidentally hit someone's arm. To say sorry, you can either say scusi or mi scusi. Scusa. This is an informal way of saying excuse me or sorry. And you use this with people you know, your family members, or anybody you're comfortable with. That's scusa. And lastly, we have per favore, per piacere, per cortesia. Those all mean please. Now let's learn how to pronounce each of these expressions correctly. Let's start with grazie. This word has 2 syllables. Grazie. In the first syllable, we have a letter R. Remember, in my video about the Italian alphabet, the letter R is hard and rolling, and the letter E is soft. So that's grazie. Grazie. Next, grazie mille. In the second word, we have a double consonant, a double L. That's mille. Grazie mille. Prego. This is easy. Prego. Di niente. Di niente. Di niente. Di nulla. Again, we have a double L in the second word. That means the letter L should be pronounced in the second syllable and as well as on the third syllable. Di nulla. Di nulla. Scusi. When the letter S is in between 2 vowels, it becomes Z. So that's scusi. Scusi. Mi scusi. Mi scusi. So the letter S has a Z sound when it's in between 2 vowels. That's mi scusi. Scusa. This word has 2 syllables. Scu. Za. So when the letter S is in between 2 vowels, it will have a Z sound. So that's scusa. Per favore. Per fa vo re. Per favore. Per piacere. Per When the letter C is followed by the letter E and the letter I, it will have a ch sound. So that's per piacere. Per piacere. And lastly, we have per cortesia. Per cortesia. Per cortesia. Thank you, and click subscribe for more lessons.